How to create 100 Pinterest pin a month in just 10 minutes. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is open your browser and search for Tailwind Create and go to the official website here. You'll see the option to sign up for free. Click on sign up free and you can sign up with Pinterest, with Instagram or with your email. So I've signed up with Pinterest and you can give access to your Pinterest account. Click on confirm. To set up your account, enter your first name, email address, and then password and click on next. So you can select which describes you best and then click on create account. Now you can see what Tailwind is by looking at this and then click on see how it works. So you can see how it works by going through this. Click on see Tailwind create. Click on explore Tailwind dashboard. Now click on Tailwind create. So you can choose a prompt to start designing or you can design without a prompt. All you need to do is drag or drop your photos here. So you can upload from your device, search stock photos from Tailwind library, or pull from your website by adding a URL. You can also create image with Ghostwriter. So you can drop as many photos as you want, and to choose which text to enter in your photo, click on this arrow and type your title text. You can choose the font here. If you want to add more text, click on this. You can choose your color palettes. Click on this arrow to choose which color palettes that you want. You can select branding if you want to add website or brand name. You can also upload your logo. Now it'll show you multiple different types of the photo that you've chosen. Hit the select button if you like it. You can also click on post types and select how you want it. You can click on this arrow button here and choose a different color palette for this particular one as well. You can click on this edit option, and for this particular image, you can change the photo, you can change the text, or you can add more text. You can add elements such as this, and you can choose branding. You can download this image, and if you like this image, click on select design. So you can select up to 5 images. Click on select design. So it'll show all your selected designs here. Click on review designs, and if you want to schedule this post, click on go schedule. It will show your Pinterest account here. If you want to choose another one, you can click on this arrow. Click on confirm. You can add the pin title, the pin description, and URL. You can decide your Pinterest board. You can also cross-post to your Facebook page. And you can decide when to post or use a custom time. And then click on schedule post. So you can go back and repeat this process. And you can create 100 Pinterest pins a month in just 10 minutes. Thanks for watching till the end. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.